All right, guys, today I'm going to be talking about guitar tone, specifically budget guitar tone. We're working with about $1,000 here, including the guitar, including the amplifier, including the cab, all together, just about $1,000. Let's see what it sounds like. That sounds pretty sick, so let's dive into what we're working with. All right, so for the amp, we are working with a Joyo BanTamp XL Zombie 2. It is a little Mesa Boogie Dual rectifier clone. This thing fucking rips. It can be had for just under $200. So for the cab, we are rocking a Harley Benton 212 with Celestion V30s. I think these go for about $400 shipped, so pretty solid. They are poplar plywood construction, so none of that particle board MDF bullshit. For the guitar, this is just a cheap Ibanez 7-string. Can't remember exactly what it is, but I popped a Seymour Duncan Nazgul on the bridge. I think altogether it was about $300, and it rips pretty good. It's a 7-string, makes 7-string noises. All right, so let's rip on this thing a little bit more. It's got a single SM57, nothing crazy going on. So, you know, just use your ears and you guys can decide. You know, me personally, I love it. It's affordable, kind of. I mean, if you consider $1,000 affordable. I mean, considering most amplifiers alone go for way over $1,000, and most guitars go for, you know, a good amount, and cabs, for fuck's sake. Everything's so expensive. This is a solid rig for under $1,000, or right around $1,000. So highly recommend. You know, I'll leave links to all this shit. And yeah, thanks for watching. I appreciate it.